Hey everyone, how is it going? It's your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali. Welcome or welcome back to the channel. If it's the first time you're here on this channel, please go ahead and hit on that subscribe button. Don't be scared now. And also while you're at it, make sure you turn on the notification bell. So once I do upload any videos, you're one of the first persons to be updated about that. Yes, guys, and also while you're at it, just go ahead and just hit on that like button from now. Yeah, that thumbs up button. Yes, go ahead and hit on that from now also. All right, guys. Now, in today's video, we are going to be putting our budget, that's week 2 budget for the month of February together. Yes, I did week 1 and I'm so happy about it. And now we're going to go into week 2. However, I should let you know though, for week 2, I do not know exactly how much I'm going to be getting as yet, but I tried to put down a few little jottings, so I guesstimated how much I should be getting, and what I do get, it is probably going to be about $10 or $20 more than what I had budgeted. All right, and also just in case it comes out to be way more than what I had budgeted for, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and I'll just put that towards one of my savings challenge. Yes, one of my savings challenge. You know, guys, sometimes instead of me saying challenge, I do say channel. All right, so that is what I'm going to do with whatever the extra is going to be. All right, but before we get into the video, you are seeing a few new stuff here. Yes, I have some happy meals. Do-do-do-do-do. Yes, I have some happy meals. Remember I said I was going to get my calculator? Well, yep, here we are. So this is a really nice calculator which I got from Amazon. It is like turquoise. Yeah, I love the color of it. When I saw it on Amazon, I was like, yes, I need to get one of these. It is solar and it's also battery operated. So it just used one AA battery. And I think it was like $4 something for it. Yeah, it wasn't expensive at all. So I said, let me go and get that instead of me struggling with my tablet each time. And look, it's so bright. You can actually see how much it is, right? Yes, I don't have to worry myself about that anymore. So that's one thing. Also, voila! Right here I do have my highlighters. They are so pretty. Yeah, I love to see colors, guys. So I went and I got my colors. Oh, I didn't even realize it's almost the same as what's here. That's awesome. Yes, so I do have my colors here, my highlighters, so I'm able to go ahead and highlight whatever I am doing. I even went ahead and I started to highlight the February one, which we did the last time when we were here. Yeah, see, I went ahead and I used just 2 of them out of it there. So I'm happy about that. All right, and also, guys, yeah, I know I said I was going to be using this for the entire month of February. However, I saw this budgeting book while I was looking for my calculator. I saw this budgeting book on Amazon as well. And I just thought that it was very cute. The covers, it's hard cover. It's very thick. I love that. And then it also have here where you can put your financial goals, and it has from 1 to 8 goals that you're able to make, right? And then, you know, any skills that you need to learn, the actions that I will take to earn more money, actions I will take to cut my expenses. So those are like your little strategies. And then here it has your monthly planner, and to the side it also have where you can put down your little jottings, your little notes, and also down the bottom here you can put your notes. And then it has your monthly plan, so you know you can go ahead and have like your little goals that you want, your short-term goals for the month. You can go ahead and put them there. Then you have upcoming purchases, upcoming bills. You have your income here, and you have where you can put the total down the bottom. And then you have your savings here, and you put the total down the bottom. And also what I love about it is you're able to budget in this book as well. So you have the category or expenses, you have budgeted amount, the actual, and then you can put the difference to the side there. And then down the bottom here you have total income, total expenses, and what the difference. So this is like a tracker. All right. And then you also now have the monthly expense tracker. So you have these entire pages now where you can use for your expense tracker. So you can put it on a daily basis. So you can put the date, the description, the category, and the amount. So I love that we got a lot of pages there for your expense tracker. And then here you have like your monthly budget review based on what happened the month that just finished. So you can see where did I have the most trouble. And then you have what could I improve this month, what goals can I set for the next month. All right, so I love that about it. And then of course over on this side, and it has some little, decorative art stuff as well, where you can put your ideas and your notes there. And then of course you go on to the next month. What I love about this budgeting planner is that it is undated, so you're able to put in your own dates in it. Yeah, this is what I love about it. So for me, I will definitely be using this. And also around the back of it, around the back here, it has this little envelope section here. All right, and it says the little enjoy things in life. Oh, that's not how it should have been read. Enjoy the little things in life. Wow. So why did they write it like that for people like me, huh? Yeah, so you have this little envelope here that you can put in your receipts and stuff like that until you're ready for them. Oh, more with the book, it comes with this elastic thing here. So when you close it, you can just have it secured there. All right, so I love that about it, and I love the color as well. All right, now also in it I got these two stickers, and they are so cute, and they have little stuff written on them. So like this here you have all of these that says payday, and then here you have like a plane. So depends on what you want to save for, or if you're gonna be flying or something, you can just put that in your monthly thing. So you have the airplane, the car, the house, then you have some dollar sign stickers, and then you have some little motivational things here, and like some reminders and stuff like that. Yeah, and especially this stay on budget, budget blown, little stuff like that. I really love that. And then you have like debt, and then you have debt paid off, no spend, hustle, build you, little stuff like that on the stickers. So I love this, and I am going to be using this come next month, which is March. All right, so I'm going to use this as my actual budgeting planner thingy majiggy. All right, so now we got all of that out of the way, time to get down to the meat of the matter. All right, so guys, we are going to be budgeting for week 2. All right, so what I'm budgeting for in week 2, it is going to be $617. All right, that is what I am budgeting for. However, this is just my guesstimation of what it will be, and then I know that I am going to be getting more. Well, not probably, I know it is going to be more, but it's going to be probably about $10 or $20 more. All right, so let me start off with the bills. So again, this month, this pay period, I'm not going to be doing anything for bills, not bills, for rent. And Amazon, I took care of that the last time, so nothing is going to go there. And then for taxi or Uber, I'm not going to be putting any in this one here. All right, so where is grocery? I do not have grocery in this one here, so I need to scratch grocery somewhere here. Let me just put grocery right here. So now grocery is going to be 180. All right, and all right, let me fold this so I can use my nice calculator here. All right, so it's going to be 617 minus 180. So that is going to leave me with 437. All right, so that's going to leave me with 437. So what I need to do is I need to write the 180 here. So this is what I'm going to have taken out of that there. And then when I get to expenses now, in expenses, to start expenses, I'm going to have 437. All right, so that is what I'm going to be starting expense with. Let me see in expense. All right, what I am going to be doing, I don't have anything for expense for this week either. So now I'm going to go down into sinking funds, and I'm going to still bring down the $437 into sinking funds. All right, so let me go now, and I'm just gonna highlight here these figures. All right, so I'll know where I am. All right, so now in my sinking funds, bills is not going to be getting anything this time, but transportation, I'm going to be putting 10 towards transportation. So I'm going to minus 10 from that. That is 427. Health, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put $2 in health. So minus 2. And then dine out, I'm not going to be putting anything in dine out. For my birthday, I'm going to leave that as is. Maintenance, yes, $45 for my nails. That's what I usually pay. And yes, guys, I did my nails. So I budget for it in this pay here. So I had a few little money somewhere. So I took this from it. So when I do get the cash, then I'm going to go ahead and replace it there, and then I'll tell you what the actual that I spent for my nails there. All right, so I'm going to minus 45. So now that's 380. Let me see, nothing for shopping this week, nothing for gifts this week, and miscellaneous, I have something which came up, so I'm going to give miscellaneous 200 this week. So I'm going to minus 200. So that brings me down to 180. And then personal is not going to be getting anything this week. All right, so let me see what my total is. All right, so I'm going to have 10 for transportation, 2 for health, 45 for maintenance, and then the 200 for miscellaneous. So that is $257. All right, that is what the total came to, and then I would have 180 left back. That's correct? I think so. Hold on, guys. So it's 617 minus the 180, which is here. And then I'm going to minus this 257, I'm sorry. 257. Okay, so that should leave me with $77. I hope it's correct, guys. I hope it's correct. Guys, this does not look right. But why am I getting that? Hold on, guys. This doesn't look right at all. So I have 617 minus 180 equals 437 minus 10 equals that, then minus 2 equals that, then minus 45 equals 380 minus 200 equals 180. All right, everything looks good so far, guys. All right, so now I'm going to be going into my savings challenge. So for my savings, I'm going to be putting $80 into Valentine's. Put a circle around that. So $80 is going to go into Valentine's. So minus 80. So I have $100 left. So the $100 now, I am going to be, where should I put this $100? I did something wrong here because I should not have $100. Ah, you see why it's important to double check. The $100 is for my phone bill. Alright, so instead of me putting it there, let me put it here, and then I'll put $100. Here we go. Hopefully this is going to be better now, guys. I'm so sorry for this. Guys, if you're watching this video, I do apologize if you're watching this far. Alright, so now I'm going to say 437 minus 100 equals 337. Alright, so that's 337. So now 337 minus 10 is equals that. Now take away 2 equals that. Then we're going to take away 45 equals 280. Then we're going to take away 200, leaves us with $80. Right, here we are. Right, so $80. And then this now, when I put the $80 there, this should zero us out. There we go. That's it now. Because I got worried there for a while. Alright, here we are now, guys. Oh, this fell out from the front. Guys, I'm so sorry for the rambling which you had to go through just now. So here we are with this. So for this month it's 617, and grocery is gonna get 180. My phone bill is gonna get 100. Then sinking funds, I'm only gonna be putting 10 in transportation, 2 in health, 45 in maintenance, 200 in miscellaneous. And then in my savings challenge, I'm only gonna be putting $80 towards Valentine's Day, because you know I have that challenge happening. Alright, and then that would bring me to my zero base budget. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Alright, thank you so much for hanging out with me. Thank you for watching me go crazy with all of this that was happening, guys. It is not easy to do a budget. However, I made it through this far. Alright, now that's it for me for this video. Look out for the other video when I'm going to be stuffing. Alright, and that time you'll be able to see exactly how much I got. Okay, so that's it for me for today and this video. I'm your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali, saying peace, take care, and walk good. Bye. Bye. Bye.